Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your photos into a wedding photo using the CapCut photo effect. So here, just start by clicking on the new project and then select your photos. So you need to add a photo with your partner like this. For example, just click on add, and then after that go to effect. Click on the photo effect. Now go to the AI photo section or category. Then here you can see wedding portrait or photo effect. Just click on that and wait for it to apply to your photos. Okay, just wait. Okay, so this is the result with the photo I added before. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.